Hey folks, how's it going? I want to show you a quick little tool I use here. I use this tool every time I get a bug. Get a little error like this, it gives me a call stack. I might want to copy that call stack. Then I go over here in a Visual Studio, or sorry, when I'm still in the editor, what I do is I push this button, Format Log. Then I go into Visual Studio and I paste it right here, and then I've got a full link where I could jump between the different files to the exact line in the call stack. Pretty nifty. So by default, my God, I got way too many Unity projects open. If I copy all this stuff and I paste it in, the links are not that good. They're relative to the assets folder, and sometimes it doesn't even hyperlink the assets part. And sometimes it hyperlinks even more. It's super weird. Like, why is all this blue? It's very annoying. So I basically had to fix it up manually. Now, the way that I did that, let's see if I can find it. I'm calling this function called format stack list, which I will include in the description. So this is basically just a manual fix-up relative to the paths I'm using here. So that's pretty neat. And then I paste it into this window called the Stack Trace Explorer. In theory, the Stack Trace Explorer extension is supposed to do all this for you, but, well, it don't work for me. So I just use it to paste and then to click around, basically. So what's the name of that? Stack Trace Explorer, just in case you want to grab it. It's right here. Stack Trace Explorer 2019 from a guy named Samir Bulima. All right, so there you go. So you can check that out. Release notes. We'll pull it up. This guy's GitHub. Shout out to S. Bulima. Stack Trace Explorer. Let's check it out. Guy's got a cool haircut and sort of a tropical t-shirt. Pretty cool. All right, so basically that's the show. I'm clicking the link in order to execute this command. You can do it with a keybind. The way that I usually run things is I have a scriptable object like this with a custom inspector that I could throw in a whole bunch of buttons on. And so that's how I like to use it. But, feel free to use this script however you'd like. I use this thing every day. It's a lifesaver. Literally every single call stack. So hopefully it's of some use to you as well. Have a great day.